Data Visualization Explained, a thorough guide. Data visualization is the graphical representation of data to communicate complex information clearly and efficiently. It enables users to see trends, patterns, and outliers in data, making it easier to understand and derive insights. Why is data visualization important? The importance of data visualization lies in its ability to simplify complex data sets and facilitate decision-making. It allows users to quickly grasp the key takeaways from large volumes of data and identify trends or anomalies that may not be apparent in raw data. Data visualization fundamentals. Some key concepts to keep in mind include choosing the right data visualization techniques, selecting appropriate data visualization tools and software, and following best practices in data design and data mapping. Data Visualization Dashboard. A data visualization dashboard is a collection of charts, graphs, and other visualizations that provide a comprehensive view of key metrics and trends. It allows users to interact with the data and drill down into specific details, making it a powerful tool for monitoring performance and making data-driven decisions. Dynamic data visualization. Dynamic data visualization involves creating interactive visualizations that allow users to explore and manipulate data in real time. These dynamic visualizations can be customized to show different perspectives and enable users to delve deeper into the data to uncover hidden patterns or insights. Conclusion. In conclusion, data visualization is a powerful tool that enables organizations to make sense of complex data and derive valuable insights.